Hey everybody, welcome back to the Lonely Homestead. So, you can see this pine tree in front of me. Probably every bit of 100 foot tall. You really don't want to be under that when the pine cones fall, because they're huge. But I noticed it lost a big branch the other day when I was out running around. Actually, a couple. That one's been down for a while over there, but this is a newer one, so I wanted to maybe try and cut a couple of chunks out of it and see if it's good and seasoned for firewood. Creek's going a little quick. Wonder where the best place to cross is. Guess we just gotta try it. Whoa, that current's kind of strong. Oh, look at this branch. Massive. Couple cords of firewood in there, I think. The other one's even bigger. It's a good day to be here because the wind's not blowing that hard. Let's put the saw over here. Broke out the big saw. But, buddy, I want to show you the size of these pine cones. Look at these things. That's my hand. So, almost 2 times the size of my hand. That one's a little bit smaller. But here we got the pine cone graveyard. Look at all the pine cones down there. Could burn those. That branch is huge. Bet you there's still a lot of good wood left in there. Just have to cut it all up. Make some firewood. And then get past the creek. And then back over to the homestead. Well, a little hard work ain't hurt nobody, that's for sure. Ooh, look at the size of that one. You see all the pitch pine on these? Man, those will light up. They'll burn like crazy. That's a good thing. Oh. Maybe we should set up, see if we can get this saw going and cut some wood. I don't know. I can't see very good today, so I don't know where that's going.